Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2017 Harley Davidson Road King, and it's in this very cool, almost chameleon style green. It's got just a touch of yellow maybe to it, maybe it's gold with a little bit of turquoise, and there are some very subtle flames as well. And we've got the Screamin' Eagle exhaust, all in beautiful chrome. We also have that intake as well. It's easier to see the flames on the front fender. Goes in that really cool blue color. We do have dual disc brakes up in the front with ABS front and rear. We have rider and passenger floorboards. We also have the heel toe shifter. Extremely comfortable Mustang seat, and all the chrome is looking really nice. Again, this is a 2017 Road King. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.